Fuel reconciliation reports. They are essential for fleets. They help you prevent fuel theft and leakage, ensure accurate financial records and billing, comply with regulations, and gain valuable insights into fuel consumption and efficiency. You can of course do this in SM2 for each bulk tank, but we've made your life even easier through global reconciliation reports for those of you who use multiple storage tanks. Here we're talking about any combination of bulk tanks in your yards, fuel transport trucks, fuel trailers, pickup-mounted transfer tanks, day tanks, and generator tanks. And as importantly, SM2 eliminates human error by automatically capturing tank levels and automatically generating inventory-related reports. To complete the picture, SM2 will also automatically capture fuel deliveries, including when it was delivered and how much. The system will also automatically track all fuel inventory movement amongst all fixed and mobile storage tanks. In other words, business intelligence, updated in real time. So let's log in and go through the global reconciliation process. Navigate to the Fuel Management tab. Then click the Reports submenu item to get started. In the following screen, you will see a list of report templates to choose from. Hit the little plus sign next to Global Inventory Reconciliation. Select the period for the report. You can either pick from one of the predetermined periods or custom define your own. Next, you'll want to select the desired combination of fixed and mobile tanks to include in the report. You can do so by setting the appropriate filters. And finally, choose the source of gaugings and set the number of decimals for both volume and percentage. Click Generate to run the report. Now let's have a quick look at what we get. The first page is the inventory summary. It provides a consolidated recap of all fixed and mobile tanks. Here you can view starting and ending dips, deliveries, transfers, consumption, and estimated inventory versus measured inventory. You also get totals for fixed tanks, fuel trucks, tidy tanks, transfers, and group consumption breakdowns. In this case, on pages 2 and 3, we drill down to what's been going on at each fueling site. SM2 paints the picture by providing breakdowns of individual tank arrays. This includes each tank's capacity, start and end levels, transfers, and consumptions. You also get estimated versus actual levels, with the gap expressed as a volume and a percentage. And the bottom section of the report breaks down transfers and consumption by groups. The following pages present similar breakdowns for your mobile tanks. Details include capacity, volumes in, transfers to other tanks, consumption by assets, and remaining balance at the end of the period. You also get consumption and transfer breakdowns by groups. The next page shows operations during the measurement period. This includes a chronological list of transactions at each site. These are deliveries, transfers, and consumption volumes, as well as corresponding totals. If you have pumps without flow meters, you can include a section dedicated to them in the report. Included information is the site, date and time, quantities, and equipment number. Thanks to SM2's comprehensive and automated reconciliation reports, along with automatically captured tank levels, running a tight ship has never been this easy for fleet operations. Of course, you can always reach out to Coencorp's support team if you have questions about anything covered in this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.